Coming to day 13, job repair and restart. This is one of the key topic. Running production job isn't just about success. Failures are inevitable and job might fail at multiple stages. How you handle it decides the cost of your total compute. Basically, your reaction determines the cost. And there are some questions that are being asked around it. Let's start with the question number 1, which is repair run. A large Databricks job failed at task 12 out of 15 due to a missing configuration file. After resolving the issue, what is the most appropriate action to resume the workflow? The trick behind this question is you need to check at what stage the task failure is being asked. So in this case, 12 task 12 like job till task 12 has already finished. Only last three steps are remaining. Then in Databricks, you have an option where you can repair run from task 12. So rest of the task will stay, but you have the capability to run only rest of the task. Like in, let's say a failure happened, so repair run is most efficient way to recover instead of rerunning task. Okay, 1 to 11, which may take hours, you simply restart from task 12. Databricks automatically knows which downstream tasks depend on 12 and re-executes only what's required. This is a huge win because you have saved the time that is needed for task number 1 to 11. Okay, so that's how you save the time. So we have seen like couple of ETL jobs which takes around few hours to finish, right? In such case, this could be helpful. Then a second question might come around is when would it make sense to restart a job instead of repairing it? Right? So you restart a job when the failure is in early stages, first thing. Second, if the failure impacts all the tasks, right? If all the tasks are impacted, you have no option but to rerun them. So while designing, also you need to ensure that you place it in such a way that you if the jobs are like long running, you make sure that in between results are either stored or cached or something done with them so that the next steps could be taken care in case of failure, right? So a resilience needs to be built into the system, so designer has to take care of long running jobs in such cases. Let's deep dive. Just repeating the concept: repair run available in multitask job, a DAX style workflows, like multitasks are available, saves time only rerunning the failed and dependent task, right? So it saves time, it saves compute, so it saves the money. Great for transient errors, right? Like some file missing, something else is there, some API call is not happening, then this is the great thing. Restart job, if the failure is early or impacting all the job, need to restart, no option. uh, just giving you one real world example, that let's say there is a finance pipeline that is running and it takes task has like 14 failed because of downstream API was not available. We used repair run, right, to only run task 14 and task 15, saving 3 hours of cluster time, so it saved the money. So overall the fact is, uh, how you react to the failure is going to determine your overall consumed compute and overall consumed cost. Having an option to run from the point of failure with the right decision without impacting data could help you to save some cost on job, right? So these are the like two questions on repair and restart, job repair and restart. You always choose where you save the time, where you save the money, and Databricks from now on is giving this facility where if you have like DAX style jobs, you can repair them, right? So that's how you can think of answering them. Okay, so thank you guys. This is day 13. As I committed, we'll have around almost, I can say, day 100 where we explore all these concepts. So please do subscribe so that you get the latest updates. Thanks.